Hello. I wanted to take a moment to go over some functionality that was added in 4.2.9, which is our December 2019 release, specifically around planned orders. Planned orders are used in scheduling to identify something that you plan to make. A planned production order is something you plan to make, or a planned purchase order, which should be something you plan to buy. Planned orders can either be created manually, or MRP can create them when it sees that you have a shortage. This screen, the planned order screen, is really designed so that you can see all the planned orders that you've got out here and even filter them as well, and also update them or change them, basically maintain those planned orders in a place where you can see all the planned orders in one place. So in a previous release, I believe it was 4.2.8, we released the screen in its first iteration. We've been receiving feedback from users, and we're continuing to add into this screen. Basically, what you're seeing here is a list of the planned orders, the production that I need to make to keep from running out of inventory, in effect. There is a grouping area, like you see in Vicinity View and some other areas, where I can actually take different fields and group by those fields. In this case, I could take, say, I think there's a line ID. Here we go, the process cell here. So I could look and group things by where they're going to be made, line 2, line 1, etc. If I click on any one row, I can change any of the fields associated with it. For example, things like quantity and dates, where it's going to be made, what process cell or what line it's going to be made, and then there are some user-defined fields that can be named as well. So this screen gives you the ability to look at all planned orders in an easy-to-use navigational tool. Now, what we added in this release is the ability to select one or more of these planned orders and change some data, particularly the status, where we can firm or unfirmed planned orders. Basically, firming is saying don't let MRP move it. Unfirmed is MRP would delete it as it starts MRP and then recreate it if it's necessary. So this selected area gives you the ability to work on multiple records simultaneously. You also have the ability to show or exclude planned purchase orders, so you can also manage your purchase orders as well in this screen. Any field that you see listed here can be put into a group, and then we also added some filtering capability where you can actually filter down to any field that you want to. So take a look at this, give us some feedback, most notably because it's a new screen for us, and we're trying to find the different ways that you may be using this to help plan your production. Again, a planned order would be the first step, and then you would convert a planned order to a batch ticket for production. Anyway, we hope this helps, and let us know what we can do to add to this functionality.